Hey guys, in this video we're going to talk about how you can start dropshipping on Temu. But before we begin, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Alright, so let's get started. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your PC and search for temu.com. After that, you will be sent to this web page. Note that Temu doesn't allow dropshipping and you may get banned if your account is found out. Now, open a new tab and search for shopify.com. Now sign into your account and you will be redirected to the home page. Here, click on the Add Apps embed located in the left side pane and a pop-up window will appear. Inside it, click on this embed and the official Shopify store will open up. Note that there are not many apps that support Temu dropshipping, but I have some apps that support it. The first one on the list is AutoDS. Simply search for it and then install it onto your account. As it is a paid app, you will first need to sign in, then get a paid plan, and then select Temu as the dropshipping platform. Other than this app, we have Robo Product Importer. You just need to search for it in the search bar like before, and then install it onto your account. As this is a free app, you won't need to create an account or get a paid plan. Once you install it, you will be redirected to this page. Here, click on this extension button at the top and the Chrome Web Store will open up. Inside it, click on the install button and wait for it to complete. After it completes, go to the Temu website and then look for the product you would like to add to your Shopify store. Once you find it, click on the extensions icon at the top and select the Robo icon. Now, click on Add to Shopify button and this window will open up. Here, check all of the imported descriptions and info. You can also select the images you want to display. Lastly, get to the import section and then click on this Add Product to Shopify button. Once it is imported, go back to the Shopify website and navigate to the product section. Inside it, you can see that the product is being displayed. Now you can use this method to import products and dropship them. That's how you can start dropshipping on Temu. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.